Hi all, welcome to this digital marketing demo session. This is a demo session which will give you an understanding of how my training programs are structured and what you will learn in my training sessions. I'll give you an overview in this demo. This is a fresh demo and I have made it totally practical. That is, I'll be showing you the tools which are used because a lot of students are asking me about the practical tools. What are the tools used in the industry and how to work on them and how to actually they are asking for an on-job training. So this will be more of a demo on-job training, right? So my name is Srinivas, and I have been teaching students since 7 years in digital marketing. A lot of people have benefited from my training, and then they have gone ahead and they are working in. One of my student has got a job in the UK as a Google ad specialist, and some have opened their own companies, and they are doing pretty good. So if you follow my training program properly, like resume preparation and mock interviews and all that, you definitely, it is 100% guaranteed that you will get a job in digital marketing because this field is emerging at a rapid pace. It is like there are a lot of jobs which are going to open up in the future, and it is going to be a a good idea to learn this, right? So what is digital marketing and how are we going to learn it? I'll be showing you in the next slide. So digital marketing is mostly marketing, which means promotion of products or services on the internet. So whenever we see ads in Google search engine, or when we open our Facebook or Instagram stories and all that, we see a lot of ads, right? So that is what mostly digital marketing is all about. So how are we going to approach this and learn this? It is a live practical approach. These are the main modules in digital marketing. The first one is what we are going to do first. First is we are going to bring a digital presence for ourselves. That is, if you have a business, say simple shop, an organic vegetable shop, you will need a website first of all. Once you get a website, then you can showcase your products there with the price and all that, like Amazon does and Flipkart does. Then there you can do digital marketing techniques. You can use the techniques like SEO, SEM and all that, and get traffic to your website. So the first thing we'll be looking at is we will be designing and we will be developing a website in WordPress. You don't need any coding knowledge or programming skills and all that. This is WordPress. We will be using WordPress. This is a content management system. It does not require any knowledge in coding and all that. So you can directly, through themes and plugins, you can create a stunning website. If you can see some of the examples of the websites done in WordPress, the whitehouse.gov. This is the US government website. This is done in WordPress. You must be knowing Angry Birds. We all have played that. So that is also done in WordPress. So you don't require huge lines of coding and all that required to create a stunning graphical website or a secure website. So we will also be learning how to create a website like this. We using good themes and plugins. My business website, this is my website, vcube.in. Here I have given some information. I'll also be posting some videos soon. So this is my website. I have done it in WordPress. I'll also teach you how to create a website. So first thing is we will be doing the website design. So it will take around 5 to 7 days to understand how to create a website and how to create pages, how to create. I have put a WhatsApp button here so that people can come and directly chat. So creating a website is very important in the aspect of digital marketing, because whenever I go and approach people, people approach me for some websites initially. Like if for a yoga trainer, they require a website. So this is one of a sample website which is for a yoga trainer. If say some people from the beauty industry come and say we need a website for to showcase our beauty products, and we need a payment gateway integration, and we want to learn how to, how Amazon does the back end work, like managing orders, managing coupons, and shipping process and all that. So we will be first of all designing a website of this sort. If say a person comes and says organic products, I have got organic products and I want a website to be done, and then so having all these samples is very useful when you want to showcase your skill of website design to your client. One more example is fashion. Maybe if people come up with if people want a fashion store, they say lockdown is there, it might be there, we want to open an online channel. A lot of people are asking me, we want an online presence simultaneously, because it is so unpredictable what is going to happen. So we can create different kinds of websites without coding. We will be doing that first in our training program. Then once a website is created, your job is not done. You need to bring a lot of traffic or visitors to your website. So creating a website is like opening a shop. Once you open your shop, you put all your products and all that, banners, hoardings, everything. You need people to come, customers to come and buy, right? For that, we will be using some digital marketing techniques like SEO, which is called search engine optimization. It means how people are buying nowadays. They just go to Google and search for what they want, right? Say they want to buy a mobile OnePlus 9. Then they search, then they see some results. So in these results, some results are called ads, paid ads. Can you see ads here? So these are called shopping ads. This is a text ad of OnePlus. Then the results which you are seeing are called organic results, which if you perform a technique called SEO, SEO means following the guidelines of Google to come on top of the search engine results page. This is called search engine results page. Then there are stories, then there are local results, map results, etc. So if you want to buy OnePlus 9 in Hyderabad, right? So you will be given places like map results or of distributors or dealers where you can buy those. I'll take you another example. Hero battery bike in Hyderabad. So if I search like that, then I might see some map results. These are the map results. They give you local results where the location is. You can click on the location and you can navigate. So most of the selling, see if you can see the traffic of Google, it is huge. It is global rank is 1, and you can see the monthly visits and the traffic is huge. So most of the selling online is happening only through, I wouldn't say only, but most of the selling is happening through Google. We all search for Google for anything we require. So it is very important that the website you have designed comes on top of the Google page. So for that, we will be using a technique called SEO. I'll be showing you what are all the modules in SEO and how on-page SEO can be done, off-page SEO, how you can do local SEO, and then technical SEO. Okay. SEO is not that easy. It takes a lot of time to come on top because there's a lot of competition. That is why there is another concept called SEM, search engine marketing, or I simply call it Google Ads. So if you want to see the dashboard of Google, this is the dashboard of Google. You can see some live data. I have created some campaigns and I have got some results. I'll be showing you everything in this dashboard, how to run campaigns, how to create ads, how to actually do conversion tracking, means whether people have clicked your ad and have they landed onto your website and either they have purchased or have they filled up a form, what action they have taken. So all these things can be measured. I'll be showing you all the options here. What is planning, what is keyword planning, what are the scripts used, and all these things. How we can fund this account and run ads, how we can run ads on YouTube, etc. Right? So this is called search engine marketing. I'll be showing you a lot of aspects in this, because this is very much useful nowadays. Google has got vendors who are hiring like Capgemini, Accenture, and all these companies are hiring for these technologies. So if you can master this and do the certification which is provided by Google, you will definitely get a job in a big company, right? So this is about search engine marketing. So once you do search engine marketing, you might see a lot of results coming your way, a lot of people coming to your website. So you can definitely optimize your ads and then see how better they are performing. After that, one of the important concept is very interesting and trending concept is social media marketing. So we all know Facebook, right? We all know Facebook for quite some time and it has become very famous. So Facebook is not only famous for the messenger or meeting your old friends and searching for them, but also you can run your campaigns, you can run your ads, you can do a lot of branding here. You can do brand awareness campaigns. You can you see this is sponsored? This guy is promoting himself, his products or his services, whatever. So how you will be doing that? We will be using Facebook Ads Manager. We'll be creating campaigns here, and we will also look at advanced concepts like Facebook Pixel and all that, right? Apart from Facebook, there is also Twitter and LinkedIn. We will also be looking at that. Twitter ads are not that famous, but Twitter is very much popular for the celebrities and politicians and all those people. What are the trending topics you can see in Twitter? So I'll be explaining you everything in this dashboard: how to retweet, how to tweet, how to follow, how to do social bookmarking and all that. After that comes LinkedIn, which is a professional network. You must be having profile in the LinkedIn. We can create LinkedIn ads which are right now picking up after Facebook ads. LinkedIn ads are picking up. In LinkedIn, you can even connect with the CEO of a company. So it's not a it's like a platform. It's like a professional platform where you can increase your professional connectivity, your career wise. You can find those kind of people here. This is pretty obvious. We will look at how LinkedIn ads work, what is LinkedIn learning, and all those concepts, right? So I will be showing you in depth, in the sense what is required for you to pick up a job and how to work on a task, right? So we will also look at Instagram, which is the most famous among youngsters. Most of the youngsters are definitely on Instagram, posting their pics, waiting for people to like the pics and followers. Obviously, the celebrities have got a lot of followers. There is something called as influencer marketing. Like they endorse some products like Deepika Padukone or Virat Kohli. They do endorse some products. We will look at what that is. Then we will look at email marketing. What is email marketing? Email marketing is sending emails in bulk. On a daily basis, we get a lot of promotional emails, transactional emails. We will learn how to create those nice templates and then create those templates, and then how to see. If you see, there are a lot of can you see, this is an ad in my inbox. So people are trying to promote their products and services in our Gmail, in YouTube, everything, right? So we will be using a tool called MailChimp to start off with, to do some campaigns in email. We will then create a YouTube channel that is called video marketing. We will be creating a YouTube channel. We will take a nice concept and then create a YouTube channel, and we will try to get some likes and subscribers also. YouTube pays you money if your channel has got, say, it is around 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Okay, so you can come up with an innovative idea and do video marketing in YouTube, right? So when you do all these things, you will be getting a lot of results. When you get a lot of results, you need to analyze the data. Then there are tools called Google Analytics and then Google Webmaster Tools. So these tools will let you actually analyze data, who is coming to your website, what age group, not the age group exactly, men are coming or women are coming, where they are coming from, and all that can be analyzed. So there are a lot of career opportunities in Google Analytics also, right? There are very few people who are certified in this. So if you can pick up one aspect of digital marketing and actually actually perform a lot of I mean, if you can invest your time to learn, you will be getting a lot of results. Okay, this is where we will see where people are coming from and all that. We will create our own account, we will link our website to it, and we will understand analytics also, right? So this is a broad view of digital marketing. What actually is required when you go for go to work in digital marketing is there are some tools for SEO. I'll just show you the list of tools. There is two tools called Ahrefs, SEMrush, where you can actually perform some site audits. You can actually do SEO. So this is called SEMrush. And then there is one more tool called Ahrefs. I'll be showing you how to use these tools and do a site map audit, and then how to do the keyword analysis and how to do competitor research. So all those are big words, but once you come to my class, I will make it very easy to understand, and it will be very effective. So there are also designing tools like Canva and video designing tools also, which we will be looking into, right? So all these basics, what is digital marketing, what is the difference between sales and marketing and all that, I will be initially teaching you. What is traditional marketing, what is digital marketing. Now, after you learn all this, this has to be useful to you, right? So I'll be giving you a live project, which will be a project like if you get an internship or something, you will be working on certain tasks, right? So I'll be giving you, before we actually get into a job, it is very important to understand, to lose the fear of facing an interview, you need to perform the tasks on a live project. So I'll be giving you a domain and hosting. You'll have to design a website in WordPress. You'll have to perform SEO. You'll have to use these tools to do keyword research. You have to create a Google Ads account, Facebook page, business page, Google Analytics and all that. So after the training, this will be a live project for 2 weeks. After this live project, we will be focusing on certifications. So industry is looking for people with certifications. That too, if you have Google certification, it is extraordinary. You can look for a direct job in these companies which are doing the Google ads. So Google provides 6 types of various certifications on Google ads. We will be looking at all the aspects and how to crack this. Then there is a certification provided by Facebook, which is not that easy to crack, or that easy to pass or finish. So we will also look at what are the in-depth topics to finish the certificate. So after doing all this, even after the live project, you will have a resume, normal resume, but we will sit down and make that resume in such a way that it is marketable. In the sense, we will look at a lot of job descriptions, what people are actually looking for. There is no point in putting all fake information in your resume and then going for a job. If you go and search for a job, there'll be a job description, right? So we will be looking at what the industry is actually looking for, and then we will try to say, if you go to Naukri.com. So if you go to Naukri.com and if you click on that, and if you search for digital marketing, so there will be this description, right? So a candidate, say here, there is a website management, SEO, SEM activities, Google AdWords, property portals, coordinate and create. So this all we have to master or learn and then put in our resume and then go for a job. So that is what we will be looking at when we look at this aspect. This will take around a few days. to work on. We will see how HR rounds will be there, technical rounds will be there, and all that. After that, what are the freelancing opportunities? If you don't want to work under a boss, if you want to be your own boss, there are portals where you can create a portfolio. You can apply for some small tasks, gig jobs, or whatever they are called. You can actually learn all the concepts, how to write a proposal, what is a non-disclosure agreement, what are the legal terms, because you might be working with overseas clients, USA clients. They are very particular about their information not being leaked out. So you need to understand all this. We will also be earning commission through Amazon associates account or Flipkart account and all that. So if you are interested, this is my actual my whatever work I have done wherever I have worked. This is my actual intro. I have put it for a later time. I have done my BTech, and then I worked for companies like IBM. But now I'm working for on my own in Urban Pro. I teach students on a daily basis. So if you are interested, you can contact me. I will leave my contact details in the description. You can feel free to call me or WhatsApp me, and we can discuss further and move ahead. So this is what the presentation for today is. Hope it was informative. The training sessions will be much more exciting. Um, Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Hope you focus on your career and start learning a skill, and then you actually get into a good job. Thank you.